Hello students, welcome back to the BMCC channel. So in this today's video, we are going to clearly understand the Karnataka NEET counseling seat analysis. So comparing 2024 trend, expected 2025 changes and what can expect in 2026. So if you are preparing for NEET and planning for Karnataka counseling, this video is very important for you. So first let's talk about overall seat matrix. In 2024, we saw a clear increasing in the number of seats, especially in the government and private colleges. So in a government seats around across about 3,900 plus seats, but in private seats were also about 2,800 plus seats. So this clearly shows that opportunities are increasing, but at the same time, competition is also increasing. So in 2025, based on the current trend and you can see new college approvals, you can also expect a slight increasing again in the total seats. So, but remember one thing, increasing the seat doesn't mean that less competition. Now let's understand seat distribution. So in Karnataka private colleges, seats are divided into three major categories. So let's talk about one by one. Number one, government quota seats, private quota seats and NRI or management seats. So when I talk about government quota seat in private colleges, usually they have lower fees and higher demand. And private quota seats are major in number but fees are higher. When I talk about NRI or management seats have the highest fees but lower competition. So your strategy should be depend on your score, budget and category. Now coming to reservation, which is very important factor. So in Karnataka, seats are divided into general category, OBC, SC and ST category. Along with this, there are special reservations like physically challenged, NCC, sports, defense and others. So this reservation can slightly improve your chances of getting seats in Karnataka. So always make sure that your documents and eligibility are correct. So one of the biggest opportunities in Karnataka is a minority seats. So there are two types. One is linguistic and other one is religious minority. So linguistic includes Tamil, Telugu and other languages, etc. So and religious include Muslim and Christian categories. So these seats often have lower competition compared to that of general quota and many students miss this opportunity due to lack of awareness. So if you are eligible, so don't miss this opportunity. Apply for it. So let's talk about competition. So in 2024, we saw a huge increasing in the number of students. More registration, more students appearing and more students qualifying. And the most importantly, more students are participating in counseling. So in 2025, this number is expected to increase even more. So what does it mean for you? It means scoring marks along is not enough. You need smart counseling strategy. For more counseling guidance, you can contact given number. Now let me tell you something very important which is very true fact. Many students believe that only topper rankers get MBBS seats, but that's not true. We have seen cases where students with around 400 plus marks have secured MBBS seats through proper counseling strategy and guidance. So this happened because they used right quota, right college selection and the correct option entry. So again, counseling plays a very important role here. Now the most important question comes in your mind. What will happen in 2026? So based on current trends, we can expect slight increase in the total seats again. Maybe new colleges are increased intake in exchange of colleges might happen. But at the same time, competition will also increase slightly. So in 2026, students with average score also can get seats. So don't worry. But only if they plan in a proper way. So now big question marks comes in your mind. So what should I do now? Number one, focus on your NEET preparation. Number two, understand counseling early. Number three, don't ignore categories and quotas. And the most importantly, don't take counseling very lightly. So one mistake can cost your medical seat. So if you want complete guidance for NEET and KCT counseling from registration to the final seat allotment, so we are here to help you. So contact this number. Make sure you plan smart and secure your medical seat. Thank you for watching and don't forget to follow BMCC.